Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna ride this way.
What's up, y'all? Sorry I look a hot diggity mess, but I just gave him a bath. He was very, very dirty and stinky. So that's why my hair look all crazy. You know how giving a toddler bath is. It's a backbreaker. Say hi to the peeps. All nice and clean. Say hi. Yeah.
Hey, look over here. Try that again. Red, orange, green, red.
He's watching Blippi. My sister got him into that. You like Blippi? Did I show y'all his ball pit? It comes with like a attachment, like a castle with a big like house. And then the balls came separately. It's 400 balls in there. I don't know, it's probably 298, but I ordered 400 balls off Amazon. What? I know, you have like 150 balls missing probably. But yeah, he loves it. My daughter loves it. My nieces and nephews love it. It's a blast. But yeah, I thought I'd hop on here because I haven't picked up the camera in a couple days. So I will talk to you guys in a bit. Hey y'all. So I was just thinking, this is my closet, my walk-in closet. Very junky. Excuse the mess, whatever you see. But this is my closet. It's pretty big, but it's huge. And I really want to make it my like studio office. I thought I wanted to be by windows. And like coming to think of it, I'd rather have like a nice cozy area just to do my work and like Cricut content and all that stuff. So let me know what you guys think. Should I turn this into an office? My little studio? Comment down below. Or I don't want y'all to see my room. I was thinking about putting it in this corner. This is my like dining area. We had our Christmas tree here. So we moved our dining table over a little bit to this wall. But I feel like it's gonna be too much traffic here. Like I kind of want to keep that open, maybe put my table back over here. But yeah, that's what I've been thinking about. I live in an apartment. I have a garage downstairs, but it's cold in there, so I don't want to work in there. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. And I'll talk to you. What's up, you guys? We are back. It is January 17th. I'm making some chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Got the chicken going right now. And once that's cooked, I'm gonna pop the shrimp in. Got my water bun. And I wish I would have recorded it, but my birthday was this past Saturday. Woo! It was lit. Extra lit. I got my shrimp right here. Already. They're kind of tiny. I got this from Jewel. I don't like how small they are, but oh well, gonna use them anyways. Alright, so I got the shrimp in. These little baby shrimps. Oh, sorry about that, y'all. Hold on. Little baby shrimps. They in there. Gonna pour the sauce in there. Let's see. That sauce was all in there. That looks so good. Looks good. And the finished product. Ooh-wee. What is up, you guys? It is Wednesday, January 26th. Welcome back. I am Ronice.Chantal for those of you that are new, and for those of you that are not, welcome back. So today, it's cold here in Chicago. It's like negative 10 degrees wind chill, like whatever you say, but it's like basically freezing cold. Like, don't stay outside longer than 2 seconds cold. But I just wanted to hop on here because it's been a couple days and I've been busy, sick. It's just too much I don't even care about. So today I want to show you guys how I make my Cricut tags for clothes. I added this to I customized my own Cricut. So I added my name, little paw print and a heart. And then discipline, think different. That's going to be on my new line that I'm going to drop. Designs by Ronice. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys that. I'm going to pre-make some tags just so I have them ready when I have my Etsy sales. And you guys are going to watch me. All right, see you in a bit. What we're going to do first is open up Cricut Design. Sorry, I'm not going to have a screen record, so hope you guys can see that. Let's right there. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to open up Cricut Design. And then I'm going to go to New Project. All right, and then you get this plain screen. So we're making tags, so shape of a tag is a square. Unless you wanted to be creative and make it a heart, you can make it whatever you want. But I'm going to choose a square. And then just bring this down so you can see it. We want to try to shape this into the shape of a tag. So we want to press the unlock button on Cricut Design. So you can, when you do that, you'll be able to move it however you want it. If it's locked, it just makes it bigger or smaller. So we want to unlock it. So I want to make this about, I like to use the ruler to about 3 inches. And then make it a little bit longer. All right, so next we are going to make it white. And then go back to shapes, circle for the hole punch. So I'm gonna pick this one. So we got this big circle right here. And we just want to make this as small as we want. Probably like that. Put it right in here. See? Looks like it's in the middle. Then you want to select a circle and then, or actually select the whole thing. Then at the bottom in Cricut Design, I don't know if you can see it, we're going to hit the slice button. And then when you move it away, we have our hole punched. Pretty cool. So we got that. We can get rid of the circle because we don't need it. We just need the shape. Now we have our tag. And now I'm going to upload my brand name, make this smaller, that in here. Let's make it a little smaller. That looks cool. And then you can put whatever information you want on it. I just want to see, I'm going to put a heart in here. Make it a little different. And then I want Cricut to cut this heart out, so I'm going to select it all. Select it. I actually should have did that first. That's the mistake I made the last time. So let's move this over. Put the heart where we want it. Select it. Now we can slice it. Before I didn't see the slice option, so I had to, I guess, remove that. My brand name. So I'm gonna slice it. Move it to the side, and we got our cut out heart. Because all they're pretty much gonna do is throw the tag away, so I don't want to put too much information on it. I'd rather put all my information on the thank you card. So just branding it with your tag just makes it look a little bit more professional. So we don't need the heart. Delete those two. Bring my name back up there, and then I have to move that forward, and got my tag. And then next, we want to select it all, attach it, okay, select all, and then flatten it. A very important step. And then we got our tag. I don't know if you guys can see that. We got our tag created. All right, I'll be right back. We're gonna do the printing next.
And another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
All right, so now it's done. What we're gonna do is pull the mat away from the card so it doesn't make it all bend the cards too much. Wow, it's coming off easily, geez. Well, or you can have that result too. So, got the scrap off. So we're gonna take off our tags. Got one. We better use the one. That's not an option. Alright, take the corner off, so get the card off. Got two. And three. Alright, got a pretty design on my grit mat that I need to throw away. But these are the tags. So nice. Super easy. Well, y'all, that is how you make tags for your clothing. You don't have to do it. It's just going above and beyond to impress your customers, your shoppers, your visitors, just to bring them back wanting more. Add a little touch like that. But I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Stick around. I'm going to try to have more content for you guys. I'm going to stop going ghost for you guys because I know it's only been like 4 days, but still, that's 4 days too long that you guys have missed me. I'm Ronice.Chantal. I'll check back with y'all.